This auto body shop's website was built in 2011 and it doesn't load on mobile. The phone number isn't clickable. The form doesn't work. The owner pays a guy $79 a month to keep it online. And I'm going to replace the entire thing in 90 seconds inside of GoHighLevel. And I'm going to show you how to charge that same auto shop $2,500 to do it for them. And I'm going to show you how to create $300 to $500 of monthly recurring revenue from this customer. So let's get into it. Every local business in America falls into one of three categories on websites. Category one is they have no website at all, just a Google business profile. Category two is they have a website from 2011 that doesn't work on mobile. And category three is they have a website built 5 years ago that's outdated, but at least functional. And the first two are your customers. There are millions of them. Here's why the old website is actually costing them money. Google's mobile first index means if a site doesn't load well on a phone, it gets buried in search. 70% of local searches now happen on mobile. So an old desktop only website means the business is invisible to 70% of the people looking for them. And on top of that, even when people do find an outdated site, conversion rates drop by roughly half compared to a modern responsive design. So the owner is losing visibility and losing conversions on the visibility that he has. So it's a double whammy. Most owners don't even know what's happening. Now, most agency owners try to sell a $5,000 website redesign and it takes 3 weeks. I'm going to show you how to deliver the same outcome in 90 seconds and either charge a one-time fee of over $2,000 or use it as the foot in the door to a $500 a month retainer. And by the way, my free step-by-step course, how to do this, all my snapshots, my sales scripts, 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel, it's all in the link below in the description. Just like the video, comment down below, and I will personally send you that link to get things going. And just so you know that you should listen to me, I spent 4 years selling services door to door before any of this AI stuff existed. And I'll tell you straight, the hardest thing to sell to a local business owner isn't the service. It's actually getting in the door. So once you're in his office talking, your chances of closing him on something go up 10x. The whole game is getting that conversation started. So here's what you need to do. You don't walk in pitching a $500 a month retainer. You walk in with a free $2,500 website that you already built for him with his actual business name, his real address, his actual services, his real photos pulled from Google. You pull out your phone and you show him a working site that has his branding on it. You haven't asked him for a dollar just yet, but now he's curious. Now he wants to know what you do. Now you can pivot to the AI receptionist, AI reviews, the entire bundle, anything you want to sell him after the door is open. The website was never the product. The website was the door opener. So let me show you how to build it. So we're going to open up this software called GoHighLevel, and this is what's called AI Studio. And this is where the website gets built. So before I touch anything, I need one thing, which is the business's Google profile link. Go over to Google, search up the name of the business. If you need help finding businesses without websites or with terrible websites, click on the video that pops up in the corner. I walk you through exactly how to find businesses like this. So to find this business's Google profile link, come down here to share and just click on that and then click on the link to copy. And that's all the input AI Studio needs to build the whole site. Now in AI Studio, I'm going to copy and paste one prompt. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to copy and paste this prompt and let's enter it into AI Studio. It says build a 5-page website for Stillwater Auto Body. Use the information from this Google business profile with the link. Pages should be your home, services, about, reviews, and contact. A modern design, mobile responsive, include a free estimate form on the homepage that connects to my CRM. Let's hit enter. And now AI Studio crawls the Google business profile, pulls in everything, the business name, the address, the phone number, the hours, the services they list, the photos they uploaded, the reviews, and it uses all of it to build a real 5-page website. The site is live. The total build time is less than 5 minutes. So let's go over what just got built. You have the homepage, you have the business name, business phone number, business address, the get free estimate button at the top right of the page. Come over here and we can click on reviews. And these are real Google reviews that are pulled from their profile. Come over here and you click on services. Every service the business lists on Google, written out with proper copy. AI Studio actually researches the industry and writes industry appropriate descriptions for each one. Then you have the about page that includes the business's story, location, their team if photos exist, the history, and then a contact form so that people can actually reach them if they don't answer their phone. Now, if we go to mobile view, everything flows. The form is thumb tappable. You can come in here and submit your information. The phone number is clickable. If you tap on the address, it opens up your native Maps app. This is a real professional site built in less than 5 minutes. And here's the part that closes deals. The owner is looking at his own business name on a site that that you made for him before he ever paid you $1. And that's the foot in the door. So here's how the conversation goes. You walk into the auto shop. It's a Tuesday at 11 a.m. And I covered why on that in another video, but you ask the front desk if the owner's around. He comes out slightly annoyed because he's busy. You don't try to sell him anything. Just pull out your phone and say something like, hey, I'll be quick. I build websites for local shops. I noticed yours is from a while back. Figured I'd save us both time and just build a new one for you. It took me about 90 seconds. Do you want to take a quick look? Don't pitch anything. Don't try to sell him anything. Just hand him your phone with the live site already open. His business name on the top, his logo colors, real reviews, his phone number. He scrolls through it on his own. The site does the talking. And after about 30 seconds of him scrolling, you say one more line. If you like it, it's yours. Typically, I charge $2,500 to set it up. This is yours completely free. We'll transfer it to your domain and get everything connected. Wait for him to answer and say that he loves it and that he'd like to have it. This is when you do the selling. Now bring up the AI reviews and how many missed calls that he typically gets per day or per month. And that way you can upsell on the AI receptionist and on the AI reviews feature that I've covered in a couple other videos. This is how you make your monthly recurring revenue. You can sell that for anywhere from $300 to $500 per month and have this as almost a set it and forget it type of service. And that is why I love these features through GoHighLevel. Now, once you pitch him, do not panic. Just stop talking. This is the part that closes the deal because most agency owners, they panic during silence and they start overselling. So don't do that. The site he's holding is doing more selling than your mouth ever could. 8 out of 10 times, he's going to ask you to walk through it. From there, it's the easiest conversation in the world because he already wants the thing. He's holding it in his hand. You walk him through the form integration, the mobile view, the SEO setup. He hands you the card and he hands you his credit card. And by the way, if you're getting value, make sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and I will send you the templates plus a 30-day free trial to this GoHighLevel software. There's one more part to go, and it's how this turns into a real business. One auto shop paying you $300 to $500 per month in year one is $3,600 to $6,000 in 1 year. That's cool, but that's not all. The play is the next 9 auto shops in your city, because once you've built the Stillwater site, you save the AI Studio prompt structure, the form workflow, the SEO settings that you set up, the publish process, the whole flow as a template, or in GoHighLevel, it's called a snapshot. Next auto shop, you import those templates, swap the business name and Google business profile link, retrain the AI Studio prompt on their info, and it's live in 25 minutes. And here's the best part. Every shop you sign for the website becomes a layup for the $500 a month AI receptionist, the AI review system, and the missed call text back. You walked in the door with a website, you walked out with a full bundle. 10 auto shops at $500 a month. That's $5,000 in month one of recurring revenue going forward. The website was just the key in the door. Now, mind you, you can take this to 20 business owners and 30 and 40 and 50, and the sky is the limit. It just depends on how bad do you want it and are you okay with getting uncomfortable? Because walking into the door, trying to do this sale, if you've never done sales before, might be a little uncomfortable. The way you overcome that is you just need to do it. So that's the whole play. The AI website builder inside GoHighLevel's AI Studio, one prompt and a Google business profile link, 3 settings to dial in, a sales pitch that's basically you holding a phone and not talking. And you can do a $2,500 up front and a $500 a month per client, adding on that AI bundle, or you can pitch the website as a free website and upsell with the $500 a month services. The agencies winning at this are not technical wizards. They're owners who picked a niche, built one site, then walked into 10 shops in their city with a phone in their hand. The platform is not the bottleneck. It's whether you actually walk in this week. So if you want my full step-by-step training, the snapshot I use to deploy this in 15 minutes, the sales scripts, including the cold walk-in lines, plus an extended 30-day free trial to the software, comment down below or hit the link in the description. It is completely free. There's no paywall. And subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this. Thanks guys for watching, and let's go build something.